Welcome to Language Panda. In this tutorial, we will explain how to submit a project to our platform. Before beginning the upload process, you'll want to gather your materials. You will need an image related to your project, and you'll want to collect any lesson plans or rubrics related to your activity that you wish to share. Once you have your materials together, to submit, you'll want to go to Submit on our home page. Once the submission page loads, you'll add a project name that includes the name of the tool, maybe information related to any cultural content, and the language skill that's going to be practiced. Then you'll select the language, enter the level, and indicate the project length. In the tag box, you'll want to enter information that will help others find your project. You can include things such as the language, the tools used, and the skills practiced. Please keep in mind not to use commas to separate your tags, and if you have a hyphenated word, you'll want to write it as one single word. In the Technology and Tutorial section, you'll indicate what type of tool you're using, if it costs money or if you need to buy software, and you can indicate a website that you use for your project in this part. We strongly recommend that you include a tutorial video so that others can see how you use this information to form your lesson. In the Content section, first you'll enter a short project blurb that describes your project in 650 characters or fewer. In the second box, you have more space to elaborate on things like the tasks that are involved, any instructions that you give to your students, what your learning objectives are, and any tips for other instructors. In the Upload section, you can add rubrics, instructions, or worksheets that you have used for your activity. Where it says choose a feature image, you'll want to add that image that's related to your project. Make sure it's something that's eye-catching so that people will click on your project to learn more. In the About You section, we ask that you enter your first and last name along with your institution and your email address. This allows us to give you credit for your project and allow others to find your project easily. Also, this gives you the chance to develop your own presence online. Please keep in mind that we ask for your email address, but it will not be shown on our website. Finally, we ask that you indicate any copyright information related to your project. If you have anything that's not in the public domain, we ask that you indicate that here and that you have permission to use that. Everything on Language Panda is governed by the Creative Commons license, which you can find more information about at the top of the screen. Once everything is ready to go, you click Submit, and we will add your project to Language Panda. Thank you so much for your contributions.